Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do this is swipe up the screen and navigate to the settings option or application which have more information than you have on the one side of screen, somewhere where you can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot, and after that we press first icon and press it again and we have adding more information. If we have all we need, we press on it, so click on open on gallery if you want, or something else, and there we have our screenshot which is saved in our gallery right now. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!